Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn your photos into Ghibli art. You learn how to create Ghibli art images of yourself using your mobile phone. It's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. Guys, the first step you have to take is to go over to your browser. Whichever browser that you're using will work out fine. I'm going to be using my Chrome browser in this video. So let me tap on my Chrome browser right away. So once your browser opens up, what you have to do now is to tap on the search bar. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to type in is ChatGPT. So let me type in ChatGPT. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on search. So let me tap on enter. So you can see the search result right here. So what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see chatgpt.com. You can see it right there. That's the second search result. You can see chatgpt.com. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, right here is the ChatGPT platform. This is the platform we're going to be using to create the Ghibli art. And also, just to mention this, if you're using ChatGPT for the first time, you'll be asked to create an account with them. You will need just your email address to create an account with ChatGPT. So it's very easy. Once you've created your account, then you're good to go. So let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can create these Ghibli arts using your photos. So what you have to do first of all is to tap on that place. You can see what is written, ask anything. You have to tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to input a prompt. The prompt that I need to input is turn this photo into Ghibli art. So let me input it. Turn this photo into Ghibli art. You can see it right there. I've inputted it. Then now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the plus icon you can see on the left hand side. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see upload file. You can see it right there. That's the last option. So let me tap on it. You can see guys, it has directed me now to my phone gallery. You can see these are the Ghibli art images I've created before now. Let me go ahead now to select an image. Let me select this image right here. So guys, now you can see I've uploaded the image. The image is uploading. So guys, now you can see the image right there on the left hand side. So what you can do now is to tap on send. You can see it right there. So let me tap on send. So guys, this is the image now. This is the prompt I sent, and you can see there now the AI is working on it. ChatGPT is working on it. You can see what's written there, getting started. So what you have to do now is to wait for a few seconds, then our Ghibli art images is going to be ready. So guys, you can see the image is still loading. ChatGPT is still working on it. You can see here is the original image. Let's see how it's going to be looking like. Let's see what the Ghibli art is going to be looking like. I believe it's going to be looking more or less 80% alike, 80% resemblance. Let's just wait. Wow guys, you can see image created. ChatGPT is done creating the image. You can see the image is looking so cool. You can compare it with the original image on the left hand side. You can see it's looking almost 100% exactly. This is so cool. Now for you to download this, what you have to do now is to make a long press on the image. So let me make a long press on it. Then let me tap on download. You can see download right there. Let me tap on it. You can see now it's going to download. It's downloading right there at the top, downloading file. So let's wait a few seconds. It's going to be downloaded. My network is bad. You can see file downloaded. So what you have to do now is to go over to your gallery. You're going to find it. So guys, this is how you can actually create Ghibli art images using your own photos. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. See you in our next upload.